that might be fun. I'll videotape that if we do that. And videotape, how 70s was that?
Shamrock Creek.
I wanted to check out this culvert really fast. The storm previously, I think I put up some footage of how crazy the creek's gotten, and it massively flooded down here, which didn't affect us because we're way up the hill, but the rain at that point was just torrential for a couple days, and all of the ditches and everything did really good. All the water went right where it's supposed to, went right through the drainage pipes and everything. But one thing I was concerned about, because I kind of glanced last week and saw it, and I wanted to see if there's a bunch of erosion going on this hill, because I think we may have to do something about that. If we let that go over too long, we might have that part of the hill slide, which could take out a chunk of this road. That would suck. So I'm going to take a look at that right now. So all the water drains on this side of the road over here, and you can see it's done a really good job. They did an excellent job building this drainage. So and then it goes down through this culvert right here, where it comes out on the other side of the road. Let's go take a look at that. You can see right here where it comes out on the other side of the road here. Yeah, right there. Quite a bit of debris right there, so we'll definitely clean that out. Maybe next weekend when I'm up here, when they're not needing me for truss work, or when I'm not doing cool master video footage, I'll come down with a shovel and we'll scoop that out and clear some of this debris out, because there's quite a bit here. But as you can see right here, this whole bank, you can see how much washed out. None of this was like this in November, so this last storm did all of this damage here. I think a lot of this dirt's loose anyways, because it was part of the road build. It got shoved off the side here. There is a lot of heavy rock in here, which came from the road build. So my guess is that a lot of this was already loose, so the water washed it out. So what I'd like to do is get the tractor down here, see if we can do something with this. The other option too, if we don't just fill it with rock, I'll look into it, but the other option would be to extend this pipe further down the hill to where there's an area that the water's been naturally draining anyways. So that's the other option, is we can just run an extension on the pipe. So one thing I just noticed is there's actually a piece of pipe down here, down the bottom of the hill. I don't know where that came from. If it was, maybe it was originally up here connected to this and it broke off, and that's why all this happened. Or maybe it was just left there. It's far enough into the trees that it's been there a long time. So I'll venture down there and we'll check that out, and maybe we'll reuse it or see what happened there. Actually, I'm looking at this pipe now again, and you can actually see here it is broke off. But yeah, check this out. It looks like it broke here and then probably around here, but this whole thing must have snapped off. So that would explain what happened here. I'm guessing this pipe extended the water out far enough that didn't cause this erosion, but that pipe broke off. So there we go. Now we have a solution to the mystery. Now the question is, how do we fix it? Water can take out a road really fast if you're not paying attention. So we will definitely get that cleaned up here. And like I said, I'll record some of that and share it with you to see what we finally came up with a solution. And if you have any ideas, feel free to share them. Man, we don't get too many amazingly gorgeous days this time of year up here, but like the last couple times we've been up in videos, you can see it's just outstanding today. It's warm, sunny, a little bit of chill in the air because it's still winter, but with the sun out, it doesn't really matter. So just a quick update on the build. We've got all the pads down, we've got the posts up, we're putting the big old beams on now. They're big, huge 6x8 by 16 beams that are going to support the floor. So that's all being done now. The plan is to get all the walls tipped up this week. Once the walls are up, the trusses can go on. So those trusses are being scheduled to deliver in a week. So we'll be up here on that Saturday to get some good video footage of that while those go up. That'll be really fun. I'm excited. So hopefully we'll have a video for you in a week or so with footage of us putting a whole bunch of giant trusses up on the roof.